This help video will show you how to connect a digital antenna to your television. You will need to start by purchasing an antenna from a local electronics store. If your TV was purchased after 2007, then it most likely will have a built-in digital tuner. This means you can plug your antenna directly into your television. The first step to connecting your antenna is to find the connection ports. Look for the VHF-UHF port on your TV. It's usually found on the back or side of your television. Your antenna attaches with a cable that has an F connector. You are probably familiar with it if you ever attached a cable wire to a TV. If there are more than one F connector inputs, select the one that is labeled antenna or VHF-UHF and not cable. The screw on the connector may be a little challenging for the first couple of turns, but once started, it should screw on easily. Please do not over-tighten, as this should be a quarter turn past finger tight. Once the antenna is properly connected to your TV, you will need to use the remote control that came with your TV to change the input. The input you want to switch to could have one of many labels, including antenna cable or VHF-UHF. At this point, you should be receiving a signal from the antenna. If the channel comes in distorted, you may need to adjust the position of your antenna. The next step in the process is to run a channel scan using the digital tuner, which is covered in the help video entitled How to Perform a Channel Scan.